just got off work and we're about to go pick up some stuff. We're gonna run a couple errands because we got the alert for show. We're not gonna work Monday. So happy about that. I'm hoping, praying, wishing, manifesting for Tuesday as well, because Tuesday is still supposed to be like frozen in the morning. So like, who about to get on the road at 7 a.m., 6 a.m. to go to work? Not me. So I'm hoping, praying, wishing. Otherwise, I might take off or take at least like a half day. We'll see. But to prepare, my baby already went to the grocery store this morning. So I am about to go to Dollar Tree to pick up little tea light candles, little stuff like paper plates, plastic cups, just little knick-knack stuff like that. Because I don't really want to be cleaning up and doing dishes. And then we're going to the liquor store. Because, baby, we're going to be locked up for 3-4 days. Why the hell not? I was also supposed to go to work tomorrow. Excuse me, at HCC. But I literally, right before I started vlogging, y'all, I just got the notice that HCC is closed tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So, yes. I'm really happy about that. It's sad because, like, I be wanting all these extra jobs and make all this extra money. But I be so happy when I don't have to go to work. Like, who don't love being at home? I love being at home. So, I'm happy about that. We're back home. Let me show y'all everything I got. So, like I told y'all, I went to Dollar Tree. That was my receipt. I'm speaking so loud, I feel like I'm screaming because I got the dryer going. I got the washing, what is it, the dishwasher. Sure. Don't know what that is. I also stopped by my mama. She had got some stuff for me. I need all these bags. Starting with cat food. I gotta hurry up too because this is about to die. Cat food. I'm really trying to hurry. Okay, my mama gave me some wipes. Thank you. Why did she put a butter knife in here? This must go with my stuff. My set. My mama's so funny. More cat food. Okay, Dollar Tree. I got some snacks. Snacks for us because I didn't know how we're gonna be feeling. So we got snacks. I got a gift card for my daddy because my daddy's birthday is actually on Monday. Some candy, snacks. I got 2 packs of the tea light candles just in case we do lose power. So this is like how many? 20 pieces. I got 40 tea light candles. Paper plates and bowls because I'm gonna make like a little tortellini soup type of situation. I got these little LED ones, again, just in case. Praying that it don't go out. And then just a regular white candle. I like to put these in the bathroom. And then I got more matches. Went to the liquor store. I got these wines called Icon. I got a Moscato and I got, what's this, blackberry? Yeah, blackberry. They was cheap too. They was only $10, $9.99. I got alcohol for us. My baby drinks tequila. I got me a little Tito's because I feel like I might want to make me a little dirty martini. And I also got Jack. I got little bottles like pints because I'm not trying to get like, you know, effed up. And then I also got some olives for my dirty martini. Like, me drinking 2 dirty martinis gonna get me feeling good. And then if I want to take shots, I'm gonna take shots of my brown, my Jack, or Jack and Coke. And then, like I said, my baby drinks tequila. So that's our little haul from what we just got. We were into the store to get. Oh, I didn't show y'all. Actually, I do have grocery. I told y'all we had grocery. Now why the bread open like that? I don't like that. This is all our grocery we got. I just gotta put it away. And then I also have these little adhesives that I stick underneath because, like I said, it didn't come with the recessed lighting. I feel like that's so weird. So I'm charging our lights right now just in case they like motion sensor lights. Well, I'm charging one. I need to get the other one. Yeah, this one is dead. So I need to charge them. I'm also charging. Ooh, I see burger buns. We must go be eating burgers. I love a homemade burger, okay? Let me bring y'all in here. So I'm charging one of the lights And they use the same charger, so I gotta wait till one finishes charging to charge the next one. I'm trying to charge my portable charger, but that's not working. So, yeah, I don't know why. I don't know if it's just like it's done, like it just don't work, or I'm not putting in the right charger, but I'm pretty sure it's the right charger. I don't know. So I'm also about to charge y'all because y'all are about to die. Y'all are on my Osmo Pocket, whatever. So yeah, let me do that.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Down with you. It's true. I wanna be down.
It is day one of our freeze. It's 9:48 a.m. I'm about to iced coffee. Let me get the ingredients. I just made me some cold foam, so I'm about to get my coffee. So I made a pot of coffee a couple days ago, and I just had it in the refrigerator, so it's a cold brew now. What? What? Let me get some ice. Okay, I just put some ice in the cup. My cool brew. This is the maple pecan coffee. I hope it's good. I like it hot. I just don't know how I'm like it cold. I got my 0 sugar creamer. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this. Just a splash. And then my cold foam. Yum. Doesn't she look divine? Maybe I'll pour a little more coffee. Oh, she looks good. She looks good. Taste test. It's good. Okay. Yum, 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 yum. I'm about to chill. We just started watching, what is this? Star? Why did you just knock your food out the bowl? Why, Momo? You're being bad. Later, like 5 hours later, I am on an alcoholic beverage meal. So good. It's a little Jack and Coke. Coke Zero. Jack and Coke Zero. I'm about to find something for us to watch. And we're about to cook. Well, we're throwing out the ground meat. I cannot take myself. I look... At some point, I'm gonna go fix it. And I'm gonna fix my hair. I just been wearing my hair in a clip. But I'm gonna go put my rollers in. Okay, hold up, because it's a lot of noise happening. I'm gonna go fix my hair and my lashes at some point today. So I'm not looking so crazy. But I'm about to put on my favorite comfort show, Pretty Little Liars. I'm about to start us from episode 1. Season 1, episode 1. So good. I am still a little full from breakfast. We had what do we have? So I fell asleep on dinner last night. So I ended up eating the dinner for breakfast. Chicken Alfredo pizzas. Oh my god, they were so good. So I ended up eating that at like 9 a.m. this morning, and I made this little like olive oil to dip it in. It was so good. So yeah, I ate that at 9 a.m. And then I had my coffee around what, 11 or something like that. So I'm gonna wait till the ground meat thaws out. Hopefully it don't take that long. I got it just sitting in some water, and then we're gonna start cooking our burgers. And we got fries. Well, we got potatoes. We're gonna cut the potatoes from scratch and make fries from scratch, pretty much. I love it. Okay, I will see you guys. I guess maybe when we start cooking. I love the angles. I love the angles. Say hi. I know I look crazy. I just got out the shower. I'm about to not wash my hair, but kind of wash it because I got it wet and I got like a lot of product in it. I've been putting hairspray in it because of me trying to keep the curls in, and also I got successfully 2 more lashes off. I think instead of me trying to take them all off, I'm just gonna add on to these. Also, excuse the noise if y'all hear that. It's the washing machine. Not going to blow dry and flat iron it yet. I think I'm just gonna let it air dry, and then in the morning I'm gonna curl it and put the rollers in, the sponge rollers. Tonight I'm just about to, I'm gonna use my spray bottle, and I'm gonna use my, it's a little mess. It's a mess. It's a mess. My Design Essentials shampoo. And I'm gonna mix it up and kind of loosely spray it and not lather it up too much, just a little. And then we'll brush it out. And then I think I'm gonna braid it. Be my leave out too. So I'm just gonna work in sections and I'm gonna speed y'all up. After this, we're gonna go fix our lashes because I know I look a mess.
say is, if I was your girl, all the things I do to you, I make it all my school belongs to you. If I was your woman, the things I did to you, but I'm not, so I can't and I won't. If I was your girl, all the things I do, make it all my school belongs.
This is kind of a botched job, and like my eyes are not even. It's this lash right here. I know y'all see it. I can't get it to like cooperate. But like I said, whatever. I'm about to put my bonnet on and go put my moisturizer, like I said, my coconut oil, and go help cook. I'm probably in charge of fries. I'm gonna go cut the potatoes. I fixed it. That was bothering me. It still look a little funny, but it still looks funny, but it looks better. I'm about to, like I said, put some moisturizer. Perfect. Like my forehead look huge. Always gotta pull some baby hair out. Look a little. It's me trying to make this like cute. Me trying to make this aesthetically pleasing. Girl, whatever. Okay. Like I said, I'm about to go get on fry duty. I think I'm gonna charge this camera, so I think I'm gonna just set up my phone and we'll vlog off the phone.
If I was your woman, the things I did to you, but I'm not, but if I was your girl.
It's the next day. We are about to make breakfast, but guys, we had to clean the kitchen. I did not clean the kitchen last night. The cats are begging me to eat, of course. So I'm about to feed them, clean the kitchen, and then start cooking. But actually, I can start cooking the bacon. I love these. These was one of my gift show. This pots and pan set. It came with so much, and it's the non-stick ones. What's the brand? Time and Table, and they're green and gold. Yo, I love these. Best Christmas gift. That's really the only thing I have to cook because the eggs went bad, and I mean, I don't eat eggs anyway. But potatoes and bacon. That's pretty much it. That's all I'm making. Because we have waffles, and then I'm gonna make breakfast tacos. It is the coldest. It's the coldest it's been. It is currently like 24, I think. 24 degrees. But it never snowed. There was no ice. There was never any ice. But I'm thankful to be out. But every time we check our phone, we both keep checking our phone. The conditions say that it's supposed to last till tomorrow at 12. So I'm hoping. I am also about to make us a pot of coffee. I need it to stand up. Okay, I'm about to make a pot of coffee.
name was Pressure. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing. When I'm kissing, what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I kiss high up your love. I don't know how to keep it up. Brown sugar, I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me in, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate Top. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
All I've been doing is eating and cooking, but I am making finally my tortellini soup. It's so much later, but I wanted to make this so that we had you know, lunch and dinner for the next couple of days, since I just go back to working both jobs again. I also start school this week. I'm not ready. Okay, so let me show y'all what I'm making. It's a Cajun tortellini soup. Sure. We got, this is Italian sausage, spinach, and the sun-dried tomatoes, these. And then I just use heavy whipping cream, half and half. And then of course seasoning, stuff to season. And then I use a little bit of the tomato paste. And then these are cheese stuffed tortellini. So when it finishes, I'm gonna use some of that pasta water to put in here and then pour everything. And it's all dinner, y'all. It's gonna be like a little soup type of situation. We successfully pulled all our lashes off finally. And I'm trying to get all the nails off. This one, I cannot get my pinky one off to save my life. So my daddy birthday gifts came except for one. So he's gonna get one delayed. And then we all agreed to go eat at Outback later this week, whenever all our schedules permit. Look at my hair, blonde. I know y'all see this. I know y'all see it. Okay, I probably will update y'all. I'm gonna do a little more work. So I really want to do my little content corner, but I need my daddy to hang. I need him to do it because he has the stuff. I asked him for it so we could do it ourselves, but he has like the materials, the nails and stuff for my pictures. When we moved, he kept like all of my nails and just like all of my little pieces that I had stuff hanging up. He kept it and put it all in a Ziploc so that I wouldn't lose it. And like the feet to my TV, but he ended up mounting it to the TV anyway, so whatever. But anyways, yeah, I'm waiting on him because he has all the stuff. So I want him to like make my little content corner, hang my pictures for me. I want to get a little rug and set that up, but I'm probably not gonna be able to do that until a couple weeks anyway. And then what else? Oh, I need to reorder the, y'all better not try to overflow on me. I think I need a little more water in my pot. What I'm trying to tell y'all right now, what was I trying to tell y'all? Whatever. I needed to get a couple more things is what I was trying to say. So I don't know when I'm gonna do it. Oh, the spray paint for the lamps. I need to reorder the spray paint, get the right color. So it's probably gonna all happen in the next vlog since it didn't go how I planned for this vlog.
Oh my gosh! Victor!